Hello, Harizo, and welcome to the Nordic Data Science and Machine Learning Summit. It's a pleasure having you today, and congratulations on your session that you just delivered.
Thanks.
So before we dive into further questions, can you please tell us more about your background, area of expertise in the company you're represented today?
So I'm a data scientist in a company called Dataiku. That's a French company that was founded 4 years ago, I think. And we're building an end-to-end data science platform to help people collaborate on data science problems, work on them, and push them to production in an efficient way. So prior to that, I was in academia doing a PhD in applied mathematics.
Great. So your session today was about unsupervised anomaly detection with advanced analytics, your next steps. Can you please do a short recap for us, for our viewers?
Yeah, of course. So unsupervised anomaly detection is a complicated problem in machine learning because you have to find outlier points in the data sets that is not labeled, meaning that you don't have the indication of whether or not your data points are normal or not when you train your algorithm. So that makes for more difficulties when you want to predict whether a point is an outlier, when you want to give an anomaly score to the point, and so on. But it's also a frequent problem in the sense that not all companies have well-labeled data sets. And when they want to perform anomaly detection, sometimes they have to resort to these kind of methods, which are not, let's say, very well documented as of today, but it's growing. It's an active research field. A lot of people are working on that, and it's also challenging and interesting from a data scientist point of view.
Yes, great. So the three main hypes today during this summit, but which is actual in general, were data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So from your point of view, what is your opinion on these subjects, and how is actually your company helping in this area?
Well, I think it's interesting to differentiate those 3 points because data science, machine learning, and AI, they're very similar, but they do also have their differences. Data science involves a lot of technical people, but also business people. Machine learning is very technical oriented, and AI, you tend more on the research branch of all this, let's say, data hype that we have today. And we at Dataiku, when we say we offer a data science platform, we want to offer something that will be connecting all the dots for analysts, data scientists, but also business people and even IT guys who are managing the infrastructures.
Great. Okay, so considering the huge amount of data, the technology which is developing fast, do you think that organizations are ready by now to start innovating or to innovate through data science, through machine learning, artificial intelligence? If not, how can they get there considering these trends?
Well, the definition of ready is a little bit complicated. So they're working on it. Some of them are more advanced than the others. But yes, they do good things like integrate all those data-driven problems inside their companies, choosing the right tools to deal with them. And more what we see is we're going from the hype stage to a more mature stage where people, they know what they're asking, they have a more precise idea of the problems they want to solve, and they keep reminding themselves that in the end, the question is always a business question. How do I maximize my ROI? How do I get these interesting KPI? Even if what's behind the question is technical, people do know that they will need, in the end, to provide something that is understandable for technical people and also for domain knowledge people.
Yes. So another question. Today, the technology today is agile, and it's moving incredibly fast with innovation. So how can organizations utilize the full potential of data and technology innovation?
Well, for me, the most important part is, yes, we're moving fast, but we still need people in a company to work together and collaborate. It's okay to move fast, but if you only have 1 or 2 data scientists that are doing some stuff on their own and not sharing them with the company or not solving actual problems, that might be complicated to extract real value from that. But on the other hand, if you have data scientists that work with data analysts and with other people in the company to leverage all this innovation into actionable products and insights that will help the company, that's for me the real value of all that is around data innovation.
Okay, one last question, Harizo. Machine learning and artificial intelligence and data science, where does this go in the nearest future?
Well, you have the research part, which is really, really exciting. When you see the progress we made on image recognition, speech recognition, even video now, that's amazing. You break the state of the art every month, if not every week. And I think we'll keep growing this fast from the research point of view. Then for, let's say, the more practical aspects, as I said, companies, they're getting more and more mature. So they're asking more questions now about how to secure their data, how to properly put stuff into production, how can we adapt to different data sources, streaming data in particular. So yeah, a lot of maturity in the questions that are asked today, and in the next months and even in the next years, the companies will keep gaining knowledge, actual knowledge on how to properly deal with all those data science problems.
Harizo, it was a pleasure having you with us today. Thank you for being a part of this summit.
Thank you for your time.